Let's draw a funny caterpillar. First, draw the caterpillar's round head. Green. Now draw a wide smile. Yellow. And long antennae. Brown. Draw a small circle for the caterpillar's body. Orange. Now draw the legs so your caterpillar can dance. 1 and 2. Good job! Now draw another small circle. And another 2 legs. Draw the rest of the circles and legs. Blue. Orange. Pink. Yellow. Red. What a happy caterpillar you've drawn! Watch its funny dance!